Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Meta Ad Manager account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Meta, Facebook does not allow permanent deletion of an ad account due to the record keeping and policy reasons. However, you can make the account inactive by some steps, and first is to remove the payment method. To do it, head over to your browser. Then on the search bar type in Meta Ads Manager. Then once the search result loads, tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is log into your Meta account. Then once logged in, simply tap on the Go to Ads Manager section. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is select the payment method section. Then select the payment method that you want to remove by simply tapping on it and then tapping on the three dot icon and selecting remove. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.